To reconcile Square payments in accounting software. Start by setting up a Square bank account. Click on the account option at the top. Then select Charts of Accounts. And click on Add Account. In the account type, select Current Asset. And enter a code and name, for example, Square, and add a description if needed. Then click Save. Once the Square bank is created, record the Square payment by going to Sales. And when receiving a payment, ensure it's recorded in the system, which can be done in two ways: by creating a payment, or by linking it to an invoice. To link it to an invoice, go to the Business section. Click on Invoices. Select the particular invoice paid with the Square payment. Open it, and click on Add Payment. Enter the amount and select the Square bank account. Then click Add. To reconcile the Square payment, go to the Bank tab. Click on Accounts. Then Bank Account. And select the Square bank. Click on the Manage Account button next to it. Then click on Reconcile Account. The system may automatically suggest matches between bank transactions and recorded payments. If not, click on the Match option next to the transaction and manually match each Square transaction to the payment or invoice recorded earlier. Select the payment. Then scroll down and click on the Reconcile button, ensuring the sum of selected transactions matches the money received. Adjustments can be made by clicking on the Add Adjustment button, such as adding bank fees to match the amount. Then click on the Reconcile button. This process reconciles Square payments in the accounting software.